Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to reschedule a lesson or a course in the staff portal. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Schedule. Once there, locate the specific event of lesson or course you wish to reschedule. To locate the event, use the navigation buttons to move between days. You can also click on a date in the mini calendar to view a specific day's schedule or switch between different view modes such as List, Week, or Month View. You can filter the results to display only courses or classes, or select a specific course or class from the drop-down. You can also toggle filters for teachers, students, and rooms. Just click on that time slot to open the course details. Don't forget to check the activity log to ensure you have remaining reschedule allowance, or if it's even allowed for this course. Next, go back to Info tab, locate the rescheduling option. If you're rescheduling all the sessions for this course, use the course reschedule option from the drop-down menu. If it's just a single lesson, go for the reschedule lesson button. Whichever you pick, steps will remain the same. So let's go with rescheduling course this time. Now select the reason from the drop-down menu. You can choose a preferred teacher for the rescheduled course or leave it unchanged. If needed, you can customize the rescheduling preferences. Choose whether to allow lessons during school holidays, align the lesson with the teacher's availability, disable notifications for the rescheduled lesson. You can also hide the rescheduled badge for a cleaner calendar view. Then pick a new date for the lesson or course. If the time slots don't meet your needs, deselect the Anytime option to manually pick a custom time slot. Now, if you need to reschedule a course, you must first select the View Reschedule button before confirming. Let's review the new date, time, and other details. If everything looks good, click Confirm Reschedule. A confirmation message will appear letting you know that the lesson or course has been successfully rescheduled. The new schedule will now be reflected in the calendar view. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.